What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today we're going to the Trapper Creek Bluegrass Festival. Let's go. The camper is all loaded up, and I've got the flamethrower and a 100-pound propane tank. We're gonna fill this thing up. It's gonna be really expensive. Propane's not that cheap anymore. I don't know if you guys have seen this mod. These are the fence picket holders that are on my flatbed. So I basically just drop this tray in, just sits right into the fence picket holders. And I did that so I can pull 2 snow machines up onto the flatbed. But right now, I'm using it to haul the propane. Got the boat up top because we're gonna do some boating maybe. And let's go. Yeah, I'd say that propane tank's good to go. It looks scary, but she's on there solid. We've got about a 3.5 hour drive to get to the town of Trapper Creek, which is where this festival is taking place on a friend's private property up there. I'm stoked. This is the first one he's had in 3 years, so it should be a good one. For those of you guys that don't know anything about it, the Trapper Creek Bluegrass Festival is just a large gathering of 500 really creative, fun people. That's pretty much a 3-day Muppet show. Anything goes, and lots of awesome music, lots of awesome friends. It's one of my favorite, if not my favorite festival to attend, and I'm just really looking forward to it. It's gonna be a great time this year. You could not ask for better weather. This is insane. It's like 75 degrees in Alaska, blue skies, gorgeous weekend. I'm stoked. One of the highlights of the weekend for me is getting to play music at the festival. So our band, the Shoot Dangs, is playing at 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Saturday night. So it's gonna be a good time. I got the propane tank completely full. Costs a little bit of money, but it should make for some good entertainment. And we're heading north. Just a little background history from what I know on Trapper Creek. It's been going on just about as long as my 6 Mile Festival has. So this year, the 6 Mile Festival, it'll be the 15th annual. And I'm pretty sure Trapper Creek, this is like the 14th annual or 15th. But one of my buddies, Justin Boot, has been putting it on since it began. He's the original founder. And it's on his private property, otherwise known as Boot's Bison Ranch. And that's really nice because he does have to get permits and stuff like that, but at least he's not having to deal with like the federal permitting and all that stuff, so it's a little more relaxed environment. Traditionally, the festival is on Memorial Day weekend. In the last 3 years, it hasn't happened because of COVID. So this will be the first festival that's happened in 3 years for Boot. Here's the Big Sioux. Huge river. Look at all those weekend campers. Crazy. The eyes of one. Welcome to Trapper Creek. There's the Three Bears gas station, and here's our turn right up here. We're on the dirt road home stretch, and looks like they actually just surfaced the dirt road with some oil the other day, so it's pretty freaking nice right now. Anyway, we're gonna go up to the main entrance gate, get all checked in, and go find our camping spot. First thing I need to do when I get there is get this freaking propane tank off the truck and hook up the flamethrower and all that stuff. Anyway, almost there. A funny story, I just ran into Dana back there. They're putting up signs for the festival right now. But I guess one of my buddies, Sharman, was driving a bus down which has all the sound equipment for all the live music, and the bus broke down. And then Boot went up to tow the bus down here with his truck. So classic Trapper Creek shenanigans. I think it's all good though. I think they made it. Tomorrow?
Sunday. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, thanks, bud. I love it when that happens. I've defended Sherman's honor 2 times. He was going to get beat up.
Wow.
How's it going, worms? Fucking great.
Oh, no.
We're just going to do it. This song called Outlaw You. Yeah. I think yeah, usually after the first band starts, he just disappears for the entire weekend.
I saw him once. He was crying. I did have a sighting about an hour ago. He was in his shorty shorts.
He's trolling.
His hair was down.
Yep, hair was down. Might be drinking whiskey. He did not have boots on. I don't know how well you know that guy, but if he ain't got his boots on and his hair is down, ain't trustworthy.
That's a fact.
Looks like I stepped on the
Maybe you did. Maybe I can do.
As long as it was a dog.
Oh yeah.
Cold rain.
It's crazy, it was like 11 years ago. 11 years ago was the first time I went to Trapper Creek.
Yeah,
I was 11.
you're not even 30 yet.
29.
Oh my god.
Oh,
How are you not 30?
I know. I never
I've known you for like 35 years.
I know. It's crazy.
I don't know.
I'm just the baby of the band.
You're cheating.
I'm lying about my age.
Yeah, I think you are. I didn't believe you anymore. I believe you. I've known you too long. I don't believe you.
I know. I've known you for so long.
And I remember the day I'd been going to the old tap route for open mics, and Boot walked up to me like my third time there. I was going by myself, did not know anybody, and Boot was like, "Here's my card. I have a music festival." I was like, "What the f- is this?" And I thought about it, and I had just met one Jay Straw, and I walked up to Jay Straw the next day and went, "Hey man, am I gonna get murdered if I say yes?" And he went, "Probably not." And I'm just super grateful. Thank you so much for having us out again, and thank you so much to everybody who's here. I've missed this a lot. I've missed this a lot, so thank you for just being here, all you beautiful
My
people.
30th is amazing.
Were you here that year they took Garrett's, like Garrett and Max shot each other with the flamethrowers? Like they had like these full body spacesuits on. Yeah, it was crazy. I haven't seen Garrett though, actually. Yeah, now that I think about it. Or Mitch, that's his brother right there. Whew, alright. It's been a pretty fun evening. I will see you guys in the morning. It's like 3 in the morning. Good night. Good morning, everybody. It is, I think it might be 10 o'clock or something. It's not super early, but anyway, I'm gonna get up, get coffee and breakfast going. I think I'm gonna cook some crab cakes. Let's do it. I forgot to film it, but I just ate some delicious crab cakes. Now it's time to try this coffee in a bag thing. See what happens.
Thank you, Trapper Creek. We love you. We love you so much. Thank you, everybody.
Good morning, everybody. Pretty exhausted. Awesome night. We're gonna pack up today and head back. I've got a bunch of stuff I gotta do, and I want to go do some whitewater kayaking. So I gotta go get the flamethrower off of the front stage and pack everything up and hit the road. Well, we're on the road. We're rolling out of here. That was an incredible weekend, and I'm absolutely exhausted in the best way. Tank is full right now. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's just a really fun place, a lot of good people. So there you guys have it. That is a little bit of the Trapper Creek Bluegrass Festival. Could only capture so much because if you're having fun, you don't want to sit there with the camera the whole time, but I did want to try to capture a little bit so you guys can see it. But anyway, I guess I'll see you in the next adventure. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll do it again. Peace, y'all.